In my previous video, I showed you how the do not touch here message is crashing the applications on your phone, and in this video I will show you how you can create your own these kind of messages. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So the only thing you need to download to make this kind of message is ASCII converter. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check out from that link, and that's it. Now for example, I will just type here hello, I am Abhishek, and as you can see that on ASCII code that there is a number, so I just have to copy that number and I will paste that number anywhere safe because I have to use that number later on. So now I will paste it in Google Keep. So now I have pasted that text, so I will go to that ASCII section and I will type 8206 space 8207 because it is the code for blank space in text form. As you can see that nothing has written over there, and now the only thing left to do is just I have to copy as much times as I can, and the more times that 8086 space 8087 will be copied, the easily anyone's WhatsApp or anyone's application will be crashed. So I will just copy this. You can do as many times as you can until you do not crash your own ASCII application. So now as you can see I have copied this text many times, and now I will copy that number which I have made by typing hello, I'm Abhishek. So I will just copy that number and paste it in the last. Make sure that you paste it at the last of that whole text with a space left between 8207 and the number you are going to paste. So as you can see I have pasted it over here, and let's see what happens to text. So as you can see now the text written is showing hello, I'm Abhishek. So now I have to copy that hello, I am Abhishek text. Now whenever I will send this hello, I am Abhishek text to anyone, and if they touch this hello, I am Abhishek thing, then their WhatsApp will be or any app will be hanged or crashed. So live example I am showing you. I have touched on this, and as you can see my phone is not working, and as you can see the WhatsApp has crashed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you like this video then don't forget to give this video a like. Also share this video to your friends, and I hope to see you next time. Until then, save your time and watch 5-minute reviews.